Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying facts. Check the Windows 11 build and recent updates so you know what you're fixing. Next, run the built-in troubleshooters for network, audio, or printer. Those automated checks often solve common faults quickly. Once done, gather error text and recent changes, then create a restore point so you can roll back if needed. This immediate setup saves time and isolates causes. Make sure to write down exact error codes for the next steps. Now move into deeper diagnostics. Open Device Manager and update or reinstall drivers for the problematic device, and roll back a driver if a recent update broke things. Then, run sfc/scano followed by dism repair commands from an elevated PowerShell to heal corrupted system files. Once done, use safe mode or perform a clean boot to isolate third-party conflicts. Test the issue after each change so you can pinpoint the exact cause before proceeding to recovery. To finish, undo recent changes when fixes fail. Use System Restore or uninstall recent updates and drivers via settings. If the problem persists, choose Reset this PC, select Keep My Files or Full Reset depending on severity, and make sure you back up important files first. If you still see issues, collect event viewer logs, error codes, and a description of troubleshooting steps you've tried. One key tip: when stuck, reboot into safe mode and reproduce the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.